that. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the recent IPOs. This is InMode. Now, this is an Israeli company, and they are into the body contouring, the aesthetics, the medical equipment. Now, this had a very strong day today and broke above a downtrend. What was it that you were kind of looking at for this one?
Well, I mean, it's hard to show often on a small chart, but the stock had been rallying the last few weeks, but really hadn't moved, that aggressively, in terms of volume, and it was small gains. And today it really popped higher, breaking that downtrend. It doesn't really have I suppose an aggressive investor could jump on that.
Actually, if we could show a daily chart on this one, that would be helpful.
Yeah, because but it does, it's bounced back. Obviously, there's some big swings, when you see it on the weekly chart, but on the daily, it pops up more how it comes in. The volume was stronger today, so that was nice. It's already profitable. I mean, actually, Lululemon is very profitable. This one is actually profitable. We haven't seen a lot of IPOs. That's usually fairly rare to be strong profits as well as decent, a strong revenue growth. Okay, yeah, you see some strong revenue growth often with IPOs, but usually not profitable. So that's positive. And its niche is that it's either non-invasive or lightly invasive.
Right.
And obviously, there could be some real payoffs there that it sets itself apart as opposed to other plastic surgery type of companies. So on a daily basis, yeah, it's definitely showing a breaking of that downtrend. Maybe this can move higher. On a dull day, this one really moved higher. I believe Jim Cramer may have said positive things on Mad Money on Friday, but still, real money had to come into this. This wasn't just a couple of folks saying, hey, I love Jim Cramer. Some people put some money into this, so that was positive.
Yeah, so it looks like it closed up 11.5%, so that's not a small move. Granted, now with something like this, it does have very few shares outstanding, a low float. The float is only 9 million shares, so it doesn't take as much to move it, but as you said, it still does require some involvement in there by some big names in order to make it move that much.
Yes.
Okay.